Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'm going to show you around a vehicle that's just arrived with us in stock, and this is a stunning 12-month-old SEAT Arona Experience Luxe. Now, this one is finished in magnetic tech grey with the white contrast roof, so it's a combination we don't see very often, but I think it really suits it. Now, being a top-of-the-range model, it comes with these beautiful 18-inch nuclear grey machine finished alloys, and when we go inside you can see you've got this lovely sports seats which are micro suede in the centres and black leather on the outside. Now these have a grey stitching which marries up with the handbrake and steering wheel, which I'll show you in a moment. The same seats follow into the rear, so micro suede in the centres and leather on the outside, so quite hard wearing, easy to wipe clean, and those seats are split folding as well. Now, being a top of the range model, you have a parking sensors at the front and rear, as well as a reversing camera, and all of the Aronas have a split floor with the boot area. So if you can just see there, I've just dropped the boot floor down by a couple of inches, so it creates a bit of a lip which makes the boot just that bit bigger if you are carrying cases and such like. Now this model benefits from the reversing camera. It's the only model in the Arona range where the reversing camera is a standard feature. Now all of the Aronas can seat 5 people. You've got space for 2 car seats in the rear with the ISOFIX fitments. And when you get to the important bit, up in the front, you've got this lovely sized media screen. It's not too big where it gets in your way. Now if I just jump in, you can see that it doesn't stick up too far, which some of them do. Now it is touchscreen like a lot of mobile phones nowadays, so you've got the ability to control so much from here. Or if you want to, you can just jump in the car, set it to the radio, and away you go. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, that's a standard fitment, and it's also wireless on this model as well, so you don't have to have cables hanging around. And the real trump card is the amount of driving assistance, so adaptive cruise control. You've also got the biggest thing nowadays, which I find, is the speed warning sensors. So the car can tell what the speed limit is on the road, and if you want it to, it can give you an audible or a visual warning to let you know what's going on. Dropping down, you've got dual zone climate control, and as well as heated front seats. So I know it's getting warm in the when the sun comes out, it gets warm this time of year, but first thing in the morning it is quite nice. This one's powered with a 6-speed manual gearbox, and if I just pop it into reverse, you can see how big and clear the reversing camera is, so surprisingly efficient at night as well. So then when you move across, you've got plenty of functionality on the steering wheel, as well as having a digital dashboard, so you can personalize the view and change the display. Now believe it or not, this one has only covered 2,386 miles, so it's just over 12 months old. Has 25 months left of its warranty, so it's in superb condition, as you would expect. And if you'd like to part exchange your car or discuss financing options, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.